Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon Ditto. I'm going to draw two Dittos actually. I'm going to draw one regular Ditto and I'm going to draw one shiny Ditto. So a regular Ditto is a nice pink color and a shiny one is a blue. So I'm going to put one on this side and one on the other side. So Dittos are really easy Pokemon to draw. All we have to do is we have to make like a little hill, go up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill. And then Ditto has like a little arm, and same on the other side. And then we come on down and just give him a little wiggly body. Now we give him a little dot and a little dot over here. Those are his two eyes. And now we're going to give him a little smile. And we've got one Ditto done. Ditto's pretty easy. Okay, so now I'm going to do the exact same thing over here. But it's okay if it doesn't look totally identical. Because the thing about Ditto is that he's moving all the time. His shape changes. But I'm going to do the same steps. So that little hill. And then give him an arm. Give him an arm on this side too. And come on down and give him a little wiggly bottom here. And come on back up. One eye, two eye, cute little smile. All right, so now I'm gonna color him in. I think I'm gonna make this one the regular Ditto and this one the shiny Ditto. So when I'm coloring it in, I'm going to leave some like ovals of white. I'm going to put one there and I'm put one over here on his arm. These are just to show like spots where the light is hitting him. So just a bit of reflection off the light. So I'm just going to put a few of those little white bits all over. And now I'm going to color them all in. So I'm going to take a slightly darker color pink and put that on the bottom. This helps for a bit of shading. I'm going to put a little bit under his arm too. And the other arm. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing over on this Ditto. I'm going to use a light blue and then I'm going to do some shading with a darker blue color. But I'm also going to leave some of those little white spots for highlights. Alright everyone, so we are done our picture of our two Dittos, our regular Ditto and our shiny Ditto. So I hope you had fun drawing today, I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright, bye!